Okay, happy birthday, Pedro! Have to hold tight, ha? Pwede ba humangkas?
And your back to help slow down your horse. Don't pull yourself forward. Now careful, Pedro. Okay? Wait first, Pedro.
Hindi pa ba ni Lili?
I need those
Look up
designs.
first. Pull from it. Alright. Look straight, Angeli. No holding. Lean
Looks-
back more, Angeli. Lean back more. Good. There. That's good, Pedro.
Kuya Pedro, ang cute.
Look up, okay, Angeli. Don't hurt yourself.
Come on, hey. Yung horse na lang ang paggalitan, no? Huwag na si Lili.
Hindi pinapagalitan. Lakas ng boses mo. Ako nga ganun.
Hindi, si Mommy.
Ganda ng teeth nila.
Sitaw.
Ayaw.
You want to eat it. Yeah,
That's hard. Here, I'll give you a soft one. It's hard for them to chew. Here you go. Okay lang naman.
Hey. I don't like you to cook, okay?
Just be careful, don't go behind the horse, yeah? Just go. Yeah, that's part of it. That's the horse person.
Sa pets? Wonder Pets. Yung ano yung merong
I want that.
nasa bubble.
Give it to me. Gotcha. Gold dibs.
Got it? Whoop. The small ones are really
Sumatry.
Sila mag-alaga ng isa.
It took me forever to get that.
Oh, they're all there. You guys should all
Go, Lili!
Hindi yan nangangagat, oh.
Ayaw mo eh.
Go, go.
Kuya Pedro.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Where's the horse? Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Yay! It's a cowboy! Yeah!
Happy birthday to you.
Ricky Baker. No! Thank you. That's
Okay na po yung ganyan?
Hindi pa.